If you love woodworking, get ready because today we're diving into 10 incredible tools that make your work faster, cleaner, and way more satisfying. Let's jump right in, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button so you never miss the coolest woodworking innovations. Design Virutex au 93 double edge bonding trimmer. Meet the Virutex negative 93 Australian dollars, your ultimate edge banding companion. It trims both sides of your panel at once, leaving a flawless finish every time. Built from chromium vanadium alloy, its blades last forever and cut smoother than ever. Number 2. Toolcool Electric Drill Dowel Maker. This Toolcool Dowel Maker converts your regular drill into a high-speed dowel cutting machine. It's perfect for creating precise wooden dowels in seconds, without expensive machines. Made from durable carbide inserts, it delivers insane cutting accuracy and longevity. No more messy joints. Get professional dowel fits every time. Your woodworking projects just got a serious upgrade. Number 3. Milescraft 1312 Drill Block. The Milescraft Drill Block is every perfectionist's dream. It helps you drill straight, accurate holes by hand without a drill press. It features guides for 6 of the most common drill sizes, giving your projects that pro-level precision. Made from tough polymer, it's lightweight yet super steady. Say goodbye to crooked holes. This tiny tool delivers spot-on drilling anywhere. Number 4. Jigit Concealed Hinges Drilling Guide Kit. Installing cabinet hinges just got ridiculously easy. The Jigit Drilling Guide Kit aligns every hinge perfectly for smooth, professional results. It comes with a clamp base and drilling shroud, cutting setup time in half. Whether you're working on kitchen cabinets or furniture, it's your secret weapon for flawless door alignment. Even beginners can now get factory-grade hinge installs in minutes. Number 5. Pony Portable Folding Work Table. The Pony Portable Folding Work Table is both a sturdy workbench and a reliable sawhorse. It supports massive loads up to 1,600 pounds, giving you space to build, cut, and sand with confidence. Fold it up in seconds and roll it anywhere. Perfect for small shops or mobile builders. Comes with clamps and bench dogs for secure holding and accuracy. It's not just a table. It's your portable workstation powerhouse. Number 6. DWVO Adjustable Workbench with Pegboard. This isn't just a bench, it's a complete work center. The DWVO Adjustable Workbench features a pegboard, storage hooks, and even AC and USB outlets. You can power your tools, charge your phone, and stay organized, all in one station. Built with a heavy-duty wood top and steel frame, it can handle anything you throw at it. Number 7. Shelf Pin and Hinge Jig 2-in-1. Precision meets speed with this 2-in-1 shelf pin and hinge jig. Made from solid aluminum alloy, it gives flawless drilling holes every single time. Switch between hinge and pin modes instantly, making it ultra versatile for cabinet makers. Includes both 1/4 and 5mm drill bits to fit your needs. It's compact, accurate, and turns complex tasks into quick, perfect results. Number 8. Microjig Fit Finder 1/2 gauge. Ever struggled to find the exact center of your board? Not anymore. The Fit Finder 1/2 gauge automatically finds your wood's midpoint. No measuring, no math. Use it on your table saw, router, or bandsaw for perfect cuts every time. This tiny tool saves so much time, it'll feel like cheating. Say hello to accuracy that even pros envy. Number 9. Woodpecker's Folding Saddle Square Set. The Woodpecker's Folding Saddle Square helps you transfer layout lines around corners like a pro. Perfect for joinery, tenons, and dowel alignments, it ensures seamless 3D marking. Made in the USA with precision CNC machining for unbeatable accuracy. The mini and full-size set gives flexibility for any project type. It's a simple tool, but it'll change how you measure forever. Number 10. Woodpecker's Paolini Pocket Rule Stainless Steel. Finally, meet the Woodpecker's Paolini Pocket Rule, a stainless steel ruler with genius design. It features a sliding stop, vertical end scale, and scribing notch for perfect layout lines. Every mark is laser engraved for life, so you'll never lose accuracy. Ideal for anyone who values precision down to the millimeter. Compact, elegant, and made to last. It's the ruler every craftsman dreams of owning.